So it's been a while. Since I filmed a video, but I've been meaning to make this one for quite a while. So actually no, I've now got a dog in my life who's right on cue. But before that I had a cat, and I had him since I was 14. Unfortunately, he did pass away naturally in his sleep of old age last year. And thinking about it, because he lived with my parents rather than with me, it's a bit different now. I've got this one who actually lives here. I didn't really paint or draw him all that much, or at least not seriously, and so I've been meaning to do a painting of him as a tribute for some time. And I didn't want to get a dog while he was alive because he would smell the dog on me. And so I've always wanted a dog. I've always been around dogs. My aunt had one when I was about 8, and that crazy energy of that collie cross, I think her breed was, yeah, that started it off really. And so the art videos are going to be a bit different because I'm slowly setting up a dog walking business. I don't know how possible it is to reach the hours I need in order to make it full time and stuff because of health and whatnot, without going into it too much. But so far it's some part-time walking other dogs, and it means I only have to leave this one for an hour or two at a time. And yeah, it's quite a lot of walking and organising and things. So yeah, there just hasn't been a lot of art happening, but this is what I've been up to last week, and yeah, I'm going to try and do some more videos on the weekend, and we'll see where we're at, because I still want this channel to continue. So anyway, Persia, as in the Prince of Persia, spelt purr for the cat. I was 14 when I came up with the name. Was going to be Misha and Pasha from Chicago, but wasn't really. Yeah, so I came up with that. Got me thinking about, yeah, let's call him Persia. And so I've started with the outline and the ink, and yeah, this is what I got up to. So new chapter time of the dog, but wanted to celebrate Persia's life as well, because he was an amazing cat, half mainecoon, maybe a quarter mainecoon. Had tabby in him, but was a massive for a tabby cat, and used to follow me around pretty much like a dog, not quite as demanding as. Yeah, he was a great cat, and nearly got to 21, so thought I would try and capture him in this painting, just for my own sort of send-off really. So I'll be struggling with the lightness on this one. This one is kind of looking like Top Cats, me of like one of those cartoon cats rather than my cat Persia. So I then have been going on with the carbon copy paper and started with ink, but I think it needs something more because obviously I haven't covered the lines yet, and I'm thinking I will keep him in the actual colours grayscale, but maybe add a bit of outline. But yeah, it's trying to find pockets of time to actually paint. the other life things that are going on. Glare in the glasses. So I've been searching through, that's better. So I've been searching through all of my greys. I don't know if you do this, but try and find what you've got. So you don't have to buy new art supplies and then end up buying new ones. But try not to do that, and this is all I could find. So you've got a sort of browny, sort of pink browny grey there, dark grey, light grey with the prey markers. Then the rest are all just kids' crayons. So what I thought was could add a lot of different texture and contrast to this, because I like it as it is, but it's just not feeling finished just yet. Oh, and I'm awful at thumbnails. I should be good at them with being an artist, but it's more graphic design in my mind. But I don't know, to try and find angles. Yeah, hopefully this will finish it off. Here we're off. Okay. Here's sort of had a look as soon as the camera went off. I've done quite a good walk, so it's nice and relaxed. I'm back, aren't I? You don't like it when I go, but you're having a nice sleep and it's not quite as worried as it used to be. Right, I've got to draw a previous pet now, and because you're here I get to draw you a lot. Well, at least try to. Well, I know it's a cat. It's now time for the dogs, isn't it? Yeah, this one likes to chase cats. Please send help. I'm so happy, and yet do that. So the paint isn't even dry yet, so I just smudged it just then. And I got a new phone case for the phone, but it's a weird angle, isn't it? It's got like a little stand on the back. Anyway, that's the stylized one that looks nothing like him. And then this is the little sketchy one that is a bit more like him. I'll be putting photos on the screen because I can't remember. Hold both of them in the right place. But if you want to see more of these, then the very first cat commission I did is on the channel, so that'll be down here somewhere. And if you want more of these, subscribe up here. And I also worked more in the sketchbook since these, so I'll be putting those on the screen right now. So join me next time for another unplanned, intuitive little sketch paint session. These are all very sporadic now, so hit the bell and they'll come out at some point.